yeah, I want you to come back Monday so we can see if you're dilating. And I'm like, hmm? Hey y'all, I'm back and we are at the 36 week, y'all, the 36 week mark, the 4-week countdown. Do you feels not ease me? I don't think y'all feels not ease me. I had my 36 week appointment today also, and sister girl is in there. My doctor was like, she might be 8 pounds, she's losing room. So as y'all know, I go to the doctor every week, but today I had like a contraction, I guess, or whatever. And he was like, you're having mild contractions, because he was feeling on my belly. And I was like, oh, I thought they were Braxton Hicks. And he was like, yeah, I want you to come back Monday so we can see if you're dilating. And I'm like, hmm? Sister girl needs to stay in there. But y'all, also school has started this week. So I've been having school. School started Monday. And it's not really bad. I'm just taking evidence-based practice, which is basically nursing research. That's about it. But y'all, so also today I went and I want to make my own door wreath for the hospital. So I've been watching videos on YouTube, and I think I'm gonna make like a DIY video just cause just to give y'all some content. But I went to, and it was really cheap, like, let me tell y'all. Also, I got this wreath form, the 14-inch wreath form from the Dollar Tree. This is how it looks. And I also got these baby blocks, these baby rattles, these little strollers, these little pins, and I got these pipe cleaners with minus the mesh with all of these ribbons. I got the baby ribbon. It says baby. Y'all can see if it can focus. I got this ribbon right here. I got 2 of those. I got just this pink little kind of glittery polka dot one, and then I have one that said girl, gold, and then gold. And then I bought feet ribbon and sparkly pink. And I got all of this at the dollar store for $15.16, and they didn't have the dollar store decorative mesh, so I went to Hobby Lobby and got mesh. And I got 3 rolls of mesh. I got this white roll of mesh, this pink roll of mesh, and then this baby pink roll of mesh also. And I got a glue gun and a glue stick, and this was, the Hobby Lobby purchase was $25. It would have been cheaper if I would have got the mesh at the dollar store, but they didn't have the mesh at my dollar store. So Hobby Lobby and the dollar store is in the same shopping, so I just went and got it all together. But I'm gonna attempt to make my baby wreath. I hope it comes out nice. If it is, y'all be watching this. If not, oh well. But y'all, that's all I'm finna do right now is try to be Miss DIY and put this wreath together, y'all. I'm excited, but that's what I'm doing tonight. Like I said, I'm probably gonna make a little video for y'all or whatever, and that's about it. But I'll talk to y'all later. lady. Love to my lady. Baby,
why you bother me? Why you bother me? Why you bother me? This time I check, you were the one that left me in. You all alright. Bring my side, alright.
long as we got. Making progress. We're making progress. It may not look like nothing right now, but we making progress. Okay.
2 hours later,
baby. And here's my progress. I got 4 clusters left to put on there, but I gotta trim it though, and you know, make it cute. But let me tell y'all before I go to sleep, every one of these little sections, like from where the bar stopped to right here, I put 10 clusters, which is like 3 pieces of mesh and like a ribbon, 3 pieces of mesh and ribbon, and a what's this called, a pipe cleaner. And I put it so each of them has 10 in each section. So I done did 1, 2, 3, 4 sections. So I did 40 clusters plus the 2 on here, 42, 46. So I'm almost done. I got 1 section left, but y'all, I can't go no more. And I'm tired, y'all. I need to go take my bath and get my life together. So yeah, but I'm finna put these last 4 clusters on, go take my bath and get into bed, and I'm gonna talk to y'all tomorrow. Finally finished the main part of the wreath. So, and I went through this little clear thing. I went through 1 thing of them. These are my mesh rolls afterwards. I still got like all this glitter rolls and the pink roll left, but we made progress. We finished the surrounding part, so now it's just to stick the little thingies on there. I'm so excited. I done burned myself 10 million times today, but I made the little, y'all know what this is, thing to stick on here, and I'm almost done. Yeah. This is a tedious process. Like, I don't think I could do this all the time. Like, ooh-wee. I mean, I could if I wanted to, but I got work to do. But I think for my first wreath, this gonna be cute. This, guys, I done trimmed it, tweaked it. I'm proud of myself. Y'all, so after I made the wreath, I didn't really do much of nothing, and me and my boyfriend just really, like, we've been watching TV and just like laying down chilling like all day for like the past 2 days. And I also got this stuff right here, so I'm going to try and do a twist out with this stuff. I'm excited. But I had put my hair in a slick back because I don't feel like washing or doing my hair. But y'all, look what this lady at church gave me. I'm vlogging. She been getting a whole bunch of clothes, like a whole bunch of clothes, y'all. Let me show y'all. I gotta pack her bag though, because we creeping up on 37 weeks. That means I got 3 weeks left, so you don't know what's gonna happen in 3 weeks. So, and probably next week's vlog, y'all probably see me pack a bag. I'm excited, but this is so cute. But y'all, I really want to show y'all this. Look at this. This is so cute. Oh my god. And she got like this little outfit. This, look, got a watermelon on the butt. And then like, this is cute. But all these 9-month clothes, but y'all, look at this. Look at, everybody look at this. This is she won't get in this for a while, but it's so cute. And then I'm just showing y'all stuff. Kiana, bless you. Kiana's mama, wow, I got loud. Kiana's mama bought her some, like a little watermelon thing. I think I'm gonna put that with that thing that lady bought. Just like a coincidence that I just got that. And look at these little glitter sandals. Oh my god. Oh, by the way, look at her. But yeah, y'all, so this vlog wasn't really much of nothing but me decorating a wreath. She got gifts and that's it. Her bed is getting more stuff in it because she's getting more stuffed animals, and I put her 2 books in there for decoration. This is my pillow. But yeah, y'all, me and my boyfriend, we really like just laid up all week, like, and watched movies. Oh, and I started Riverdale, so that's my new show, and I have to read some articles for school tomorrow and get my life together. But yeah, y'all, this vlog wasn't nothing much, nothing major, but it was just something. Y'all seeing the real deal happens with the countdown. Next week I'll probably show y'all more like with school and stuff, and also I have my 37-week appointment, so I get to let y'all know what's going on or whatever. And yeah, y'all, so I'll talk to y'all in my next one.